Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable keyboard sounds on Google Pixel 9a. Let's begin! There are basically two types of keyboards on any phone. First one is the dial pad, which is right here, and the other is just a normal keyboard that you're using every day whenever you're typing with someone. And in this tutorial I will show you how to disable the sounds on both of these. Let's go and let's start with the dial pad first. We can easily disable the sounds if we go to the settings, sounds and vibration, scroll all the way down, and here we have dial pad tones. We simply click it, and this way these sounds that you usually have whenever you're typing are now gone. In order to enable those back, we simply click it once again. Disabling the sound of the normal keyboard is a little bit more tricky, but I'm pretty sure you will follow up pretty easily. So we want to go to the setting once again, scroll almost all the way down and go to the system. In the system, head to the keyboard and on-screen keyboard. Now I will go inside the Gboard because this is the keyboard I'm been using. If you're using some custom keyboards, then you might have a little bit of trouble changing that, but I'm pretty sure you can also find the tutorial on the setting on your own. Anyway, let's go to the Gboard, and inside the Gboard we want to go into Preferences. And if you scroll down, we have key press, and as you can see we have sound on key press. Currently it's disabled. In order to enable that, we can simply enable that, and once it's enabled we can actually change the volume on the key press. So as you can see, it is currently set to none. I could technically increase that, but these sounds get pretty annoying, so I will keep that at 0% and I will keep that disabled. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.